Hello, 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 everybody. This is Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, and I am going to style this 16-inch custom colored curly wig right here. And I'm also going to put on one of our really popular braided wigs here. You guys can see how this scalp is, and I'm going to throw it on really quick. You know, you really don't have to wait and sit for hours nowadays if you want to get some great braids. Literally go to our website and throw it on like this. Boom, your braids are done. There you go. Okay, again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. That is where you can find all of our wigs, our glueless wigs, our full lace wigs, and our braided wigs. We do, as you guys can see here, I'm about to style this and add some layers to the front. So this is what this looks like here. Let me give you guys a close view. So it does have baby hair, and you see how it just lays right there. So I can either cut the baby hair off or just kind of lay it down or do whatever I want to it, but it looks awesome. So, you know, some people want to gel it down. Do whatever you want. Some people want to cut it off. I love it. It's simple. It's easy. If I'm going on vacation, I can just glue it down. Yeah, so with any wig that you get from Magic Hair Company, we will, of course, style it for you, add some layers, add some bangs to maintain our wigs. All you have to do is use our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which is available on our website, magichaircompany.com. Pay attention. This is our logo here. A lot of people have been getting scammed lately by some other random company, but we are not them. They are not us. This is our website here, magichaircompany.com. I will pin it below. That is the only place you can get our wigs besides here in our Culver City store. We also have our very own shampoo and conditioner, which are great to maintain your wigs and extensions at home, and all of our products are currently on sale. We will definitely do any sort of styling for you, add bangs at no additional charge. This is our logo here, Magic Hair Company. I'm very crafty at home and I make a lot of stuff. So yeah, we're just going to cut some simple layers right here, kind of cut this off. This is a 16-inch front lace. You can definitely change this part to different places that you want. Hello, hello. Yes, this is available at magichaircompany.com. I think this is unit number 185. I think. So I'm going to start by sectioning the hair off so I can cut the layers into the front. Our curly hair is really easy to maintain. Just add some of that hydrating curl definer and amplifier and a little bit of water in a spray bottle. Let me see your question. We do have Afterpay available on our website. Absolutely. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit of layers right here. And then I'm going to rehydrate this when I'm done. We did this custom color here, so you guys see the color here. We do all of our own coloring here in store, so that's another great benefit with shopping with us, is you can have a one-on-one color consultation, and we will color your hair for you any way that you want. Almost any way, but we can definitely color, add highlights, do an ombre. Yep, so we're just adding some light layers here in the front of this, just to give it a little bit of movement, frame the face. Just cut off a little bit of that excess down here. So you see this is giving it a little bit of shape right here. And I'm going to do this side over here. We just want to give it a little bit of shape so it falls more naturally around the front. You know when you see somebody that has the wig and all of the strands fall at the exact same length? You know, that's not really natural. Your hair grows and breaks off at different paces, so your hair will fall differently, and that's why you really want to give you a really, really natural wig look here. A natural hair look, not a wig look. And to get these curls back nice and defined, just add some of our styling product here and let it dry. I'm just taking out a little bit of this length here. And okay, so we have a little bit of shape here in the front. We're going to cut a little bit more on this side here. Again, if you're just tuning in, all of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. That is the only place you will find any wigs from us. We don't sell wigs on Amazon. We don't sell them on another site at an 80% discount. Anything that you hear like that is too good to be true is definitely too good to be true and is a scam. Do we sell raw hair? Yes, we do. Our bundles are raw Indian hair. And now I'm just going to cut a little bit of layering into the back to give this a little bit more body, because this particular person that's going to wear this, I won't call her client because she's my bridesmaid, and I'm actually getting my bridesmaids wigs together here, adding some layering into them. I don't know if you guys can see all of them, but yeah, I know she likes big curly hair, so I'm going to cut some layers in here, and then we'll define it and then kind of fluff it out for her, and I'm sure she'll love it. So you guys can kind of pick up this color here. We definitely can accommodate your custom color request. And yeah, let me add a few more layers in here. Actually, I'm gonna cut this way. And there's all sorts of different ways you guys can cut hair. This is a way that I use a lot of times. And this is just going to give me some nice bouncy curls towards the top. And you really kind of have to know what you're doing to cut like this. And I don't want to cut too much. Let me shake that out there. So you see this nice texture. You see these nice layers I got this way. So yeah, that's what happens when you cut this way. You get these nice layers going this way. Let me see what's this. No, this is in the back. Kind of shake it out, see where everything's falling. Hold it at different angles. And there we go. All right. Let me brush this hair off here. And, okay. Okay, so now you guys can kind of see how these layers are falling now that we've cut this curly unit here. Just giving some nice layers. Yep, okay, so there we go. So, and that is just how I cut some simple layers on a curly glueless wig. Again, Our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. Here is our logo here. We are located in Culver City, California. That is the USA. And we have the best glueless full lace or front lace wigs available. To maintain this curly texture, utilize our curl definer and amplifier, which is on sale right now on our website, magichaircompany.com. And it's also on sale here in store. All right, guys, I will see you in just a second while I get some water and then get back on and style one or two more. See you in a minute. Bye.